Hello everyone, myself Anirudh and I am working as an application engineer at Engineering Technique, and Engineering Technique is an authorized reseller of SolidWorks. So in this video we are gonna see advanced selection tools which can make your selection process faster, enabling you more time designing. So in this video, we are gonna cover power select, selection filter, and advanced select. So without any delay, let's get started. So here we have the model of rack, and let's say I want to have solid plates instead of perforated plates. So let's open it, and with the help of power select we'll do this. So you can have power select in the command manager and you can search it from the shortcut menu as well. So just type the name and yes, you can have it from here as well. So let me open it, and I've selected the appropriate features for it and just search it. So with minimal effort I have selected all the surfaces and I'll delete it to have my solid plate. So let's take another example to explore more about power select. Let's say I want to select the fillets, so I'll select the features type and let me select the fillet and just search it. So I have selected all the faces of fillets, and now I edit their appearances with very ease, and just within few clicks I have edited the appearances of all the faces of fillets. So after power select we have selection filters, and you can access them from toolbars, and SolidWorks provides wide range of selection filters of different entities like faces, vertices, edges. So now I have selected the edges filter, and now I can select all the edges in the component. So now let's jump into the drawing to explore more about selection filters. So selecting geometric tolerance filters, and I'll apply the respective layers again for the nodes. So and selecting node filters and applying the layers. So with that is you can bifurcate and apply layers. So let's take another scenario where editing the boundaries of title block can get difficult sometimes, as it selects everything if you do the box selection. So with segment filter, it selects only the boundaries of title block. So and with that you can apply the layer, and in no time you have done everything which you needed with no second guess. So last feature of the video is advanced select. You can search it from the shortcut menu, and to select the parts based on advanced criteria, advanced select becomes invaluable. So we have a pre-defined selection criteria, and I need to check to what the wooden plate is mated to. So it highlights me the part, and now let's select the toolbox selection criteria and zoom in, and look at that, it has selected all the toolbox components. So it becomes very handy with large assembly, and it saves enormous times of a designer. So that's not all from advanced select. The advanced select tools also provides option for more advanced selection criteria. You can specify the combination of filters using boolean operations like and or not, allowing you to create integrate selection rules. So let's see one example of the advanced select. So within component status is equals to resolved. So the component which is resolved and another condition, same component status is equals to underdefined. So the condition is the part which is fully resolved and which is underdefined. I need to select that. I have saved the search criteria and I have assigned it to my favorites. So let's apply this, and within no time we got the advanced selection, and we can see the underdefined selection criteria which we created. I hope this video provided some insights for selection tools, and don't forget to subscribe the channel of Engineering Technique and do visit the website as well.